Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to see how we can build the connection between Google Ads and Slack using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you are running a business and you receive a lot of leads from Google Ads, you can directly send these lead details to your team on Slack without lifting any finger or without keeping a manual track on these leads. You simply have to build the connection just like this. Now, if you also want to learn how you can create this for your business, let's start creating this automation workflow from the beginning. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can connect Google Ads with Slack in such a manner that whenever there is a new lead from Google Ads, automatically the lead details are sent to my Slack channel. For this, we are going to build a connection between these two applications using Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in the browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, we can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. You can use the 100 tasks and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUBYT to get maximum benefits on the Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features, that too forever. Here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in and I can see all the Pabbly applications. I'll select this Pabbly Connect Access now, and I will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where I will be able to find my workflows over here and the folders over here. If you wish to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow. I'm going to create it from the scratch. Name this workflow as connect Google Ads leads to Slack instantly, and then I'm going to select the folder. These are the folders which have been created. I'm going to select it as all automations and then click on create. Here, workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me where I have to enter my trigger application. Trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want that whenever I receive a new lead from Google Ads, automatically the lead details are sent to my Slack, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Google Ads, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking Google Ads, and in my trigger event, I'm going to select new lead form entry and then click on connect. Now I need to make a connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Ads, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. I'm going to follow the help desk given below and build this connection. For that, I'm going to open my Google Ads. Now over here in the Google Ads, I'm going to take these fields. I have created a test campaign where I'm going to create this lead gen form. So I want the first name, last name, email, phone. Over here in the preview, you can see how my form is going to appear. If you want to enter anything else, if you want to add more questions, you can add. After adding all these details, you have to scroll down and then search for this lead delivery option. Now over here, we have to enter the webhook URL. I'm going to go back towards my workflow, copy this webhook URL, paste it over here, and then I'm going to enter the key. After entering these details, I'll hit send test data, and you will see the test data will be sent successfully to this workflow. I'm going to open Google Ads and I'm going to click on the send test. You will see test data sent. Now I'm going to open my workflow, and just now we have received the details. We have received the test details from Google Ads. The company name is company name, phone number is this, email address is test@example.com, first name is first name, last name is last name. Here, as soon as we have received the details, we can see the connection setup is working fine. And now whenever there will be new lead, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Moving on towards the next step, whenever I receive a new lead, I want to notify my team on Slack channel. So in the action application, I'm going to select Slack, and in the action event, I'm going to select send channel message and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this connect with Slack. I'm going to enter the token type. In the help desk, a hyperlink is given, and if you click on this, you will be redirected towards the forum page of Pabbly, from where you will understand how to enter this token type. I have entered this user. I am going to click on this save, and I have already logged in my Slack account. So over here, I just need to grant away some permission, for which I'm going to click on this allow. You will see Slack will be connected to Pabbly Connect. Connection created successfully. Now I have to enter these details. Now in this channel ID, I'm going to enter the channel which I have created by the name Google Ads. So I'm going to search for that. So this is the channel name. Then I'm going to enter the message. So I'm going to enter the message, hello team, we have received new lead from Google Ads. Here are the details. Name, email, phone, company. So over here I'm going to enter these details, but I'm not going to enter the details manually. Instead, I'm going to map it. To map it, I'm going to enter / go towards this Google Ads and enter the name. I'm going to enter the first name, and then I'm going to enter the last name, and then I'm going to enter the email address, which is this test@example.com. Then I'm going to enter the phone number, which is this, and then I'm going to enter the company, which is this. Now over here you see mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static and the information will not change even when you receive the new response, and that's why we map it instead of manually entering it. After entering all these details, I'm going to hit save and send test request. Let's wait for the response, and we have received the response, and this response is a positive one. I'm going to open my Slack channel and check whether I have received any message there or not. And here it is, we have received this message. Hello team, we have received new leads from Google Ads. Here are the details, and the details are these. The name is first name, last name, email is test@example.com, phone number is this, and the company name is this. Here, as soon as we have received the details, we can say the connection setup is working fine. And this is how we have built the connection between Google Ads and Slack using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. And before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on the Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create multiple such automation using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you want to know the different plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com, and if you have any issues, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.